South Africans. Angazi ngempela ukuthi yini enye umuntu ekumele ayisho o ayenze ukuze nivuke nibone isimo esikusona njengamanje. Nisuke la enhleli khona phansi nivuke nilwele izwe lenu, nilele ikusasa lezingane zenu. Ngoba ngifuna ukunipendela isithombe sokuthi njengoba nihleli nje nina nilibe lokudansa, nilibe lokugroova, ngeke nize nibabone labantu bokufika bebhizi bephuza, bebhizi bedla ama-drugs. Kunalokho ama-drugs bazowadayisela nina, badayisela ingane zethu. Kunalokho ngeke bebebhizi bona ngama-weekend amakhulu. Angithi uyabona iy'tolo zabo ukuthi zihlale zivuliwe ngaso sonke isikhathi, badayisela babadayisela nini. Umnotho obalo umnotho wenu, kodwa uyaphi imali zakhona ziya kwamanye amazwe. Angisazi ukuthi yini le ezovusa abantu base South Africa ukuthi babone ukuthi mebecabanga, when you look around you, yonke into ithathwa abantu bokufika. Iy'kole gcwele ba ingane zabantu bokufika, ezenu niyakhala azinasi space, kodwa ezabo ziya prioritize kuthiwa kufanele ithole space. Emaklinikhi ey'bhedlela inini eninganayo medication iyahamba kodwa iyawela emngcele, nihlale niyibona beyithola la ngaphandle. Nihlale kodwa nithule ningasho lutho. Nihlale futhi nithule ningasho lutho, nibone imisebenzi la ekudayisa khona, la ekudayisa emgwaqeni sekudayisa abantu bokufika, abathungayo oba abantu bokufika. Iy'tolo ama-tuck shops sethathwe over ba abantu bokufika. Even in the formal sector khona othisha bawuma-TVET bayakhala bathi abanazo iy'pesi thathoba abantu bokufika. Ama-lecture ey'koleni abantu bokufika. Ey'ngadini, emakhishini, yonke indawo kusebenza oba abantu bokufika. Yonke indawo abantu abathungayo oba sekuba abantu bokufika, abadayisa amatafuleni abantu bokufika. Yonke into yala eSouth Africa iya kubantu bokufika. Kanti yini bantu base South Africa le nifuna ukuyibona ize yenzeka ukuze nikwazi ukuthi nivuke emaqandeni nibone ukuthi izwe lenu liyahamba phambi kwenu? Yini le nifuna ukuyibona nize niyenzeka ukuze nibone ukuthi labantu nini lokhu nibazalela eningi lenu, nebanye lokhu nibafukamela, abanye lokhu nibalwela, nibaqashisa, nibarentisa indawo, abazile ngokuhle lana bazothatha over. Uzothi ingane yakhe isidinga umsebenzi sokungasekho isikhala sayo ngoba sizobe sesithatha umuntu ukufika. Even i-formal sector othisha bayakhala, informal sector kuyakhalwa, wonke umuntu uyakhala abantu bokufika. Kodwa nenzani nihleli aninzi lutho? Kufanele kuze kwenzekeni bantu base South Africa ukuze nivuke emaqandeni nibone ukuthi abantu bokufika abazile la ukuzohlala bakhe nani, bazothatha over, bayanreplace. Nina nizolibe lokudansa, nibe lokuphuza, nibe lama-drugs. Bona bayakha, bona baletha imindeni yabo la, bona bathatha over imisebenzi. Mebekhipha omunye ufaka omunye wakubo wokufika. Nifuna kuze kwenzekeni kanti? Ngampela ufuna kuze kwenze kuwena qobo lakho ukuze ubone ukuthi nawe uyalimala. Ziningi izinto engingazikhomba ezonakala ngenxa yalabantu bokufika esingabazi ukuthi ubobaba bese befikile la bafika Home Affairs fanele baphuthunyisele ama-documents. Njengamanje uhulumeni uthi iy'ngane zakhona fanele yifunde, kodwa wena yakhe ingane fanele iphathe ama-documents, fanele iphathe amaphepha, fanele iphathe i-proof of address, i-ID, what. Kodwa ezabo kuthiwa fanele ingene esikoleni mase ziyadokumenta seziphakathi. Yini le? Ubani okufanele angafundi? Iziphi ingane engafanele ngafundi? Ezethu ezabo yifundi ngoba banamalungelo, banede bangene la in the country illegally bese kuthiwa banamalungelo. Kanti nivuka nini nina South Africa nibuke ukuthi izwe lenu liyahamba phambi kwenu? Abazile labantu ukuthi bazoba bangani benu, bazothatha over. Bafuna ukuthi mhla kufika isikhathi ukuthi ingane yakho nawe ifuna umsebenzi ingawutholi, ema-factory ibona, yonke indawo, ema-restaurant ibona. Yini kanti South Africa nina nizosala nayo? Yini enizothi niyenzele iy'ngane zenu? Niyakhumbula ukuthi kwakhona isikhathi la kwakuthiwa iy'ngane ziyahamba ziyohlangana e-workshop kunjani. Asisakwazi ukuphila thina leyo mpilo njengamanje. Yonke into sisaba ukuhamba kuney'ndawo engafanele siyihambe ngoba kugcwele bona. Kuney'ndawo ezaziwayo ukuthi ezabo nje. ama-drugs ayadlisa la kulokhu ngigxishwa ama-drugs amadoda akhona e-South Africa agxishwa ama-drugs utshwala.
It's gone beyond the relationship about informal traders. It is an anti-foreigners campaign which has been carried out by major political parties like ANC, Operation Dudula March to March, Action SA, and ETCs. So, by saying this, the structures of the government, we are not there. We are traders, we are not politicians. We do not make any of these laws. We do not issue the smart card and permits by ourselves. Rather, the city issued them to us. Now, what we understand is that whenever there is change of mayor in the city of Johannesburg, a new mayor came with his MMCs like economic development and councillors. And now, when they come, we are not sure if they do study the bylaws of the city, whereby there are informal traders
being attacked by illegal immigrants, those that are here without papers to be here. eMzansi lalelani la zinja ezokunuka ezinuka imidida amakhwapha nemilomo namasenda ocher bakhona banuka amakuku anuka nekarapawo lalelani la zinja. Most of you guys, you are taking me because of sintshela angazi, sintshela indaba esimple, straightforward. Hambani yo akha amazwe wenu. So ngitshela nina amazayizayi ningazosijwayela ukunuka. Ningalengi nangalomhlolo, ningalengi. Niyangizwa ngithi mazayizayi. Flipping foreigners. Izinje ezinuka. Indaba ukuthi inkinga sinibiza kanje, niyadelela. Nidelela kabi. Kuma videos that we've been seeing like la on TikTok, Facebook, wherever. Nidelela kabi zinja. Ningalolu ukuzothengisa kuleli elethu. Hayi khona ayenziwa lento le. It's the same as ufika endlini yabantu ufike uzofuna ukucontrol ubeka imithetho yakho akenzo kanjalo. Hayi la eMzansi last on addresser. We will address each and every individual of you guys. Akusumhlaba wenu la ningazosimoshela our big cities. We're talking about Cape Town, Pretoria, Johannesburg, Durban, Polokwane, East London, all Free State, Bloemfontein. We're talking about them. All those nice cities. Niyamosha nina makrigamba zinja ezokunuka la. Sithi hambana sincinge futhi santshela. So we'll fight for South Africa. Sizolwa nani nina ebala eMzansi enivumela lamagogogo lawa lamagrigamba ukuthi bezela nina ama-EFF siyanazi bafethi. You are being funded ukuthi manje these immigrants they must come here bazopollute lelizwe lethu, a beautiful South Africa, a rainbow nation South Africa. No guys, no. Nithengiwe nina la. Nithengiwe ukwalibona umuntu onyela endlini. Is it a human being? You can't say that's a human being. No. Maybe I don't know what can I call them. I don't have a name for them. But guys, no, we can't deal with you guys. Hey, skathele in. So guys, kusasemnandi sisankhuza. Hambani emakhaya. Go back home. Go fix your countries. We're tired. Hey, zinja lezi.
Ngiyanibingelela futhi emini. Ngibhekise kuma Nigerians. Palm Bridge, Rosettenville, Kensington, Yeoville, Bertrams, Hillbrook, Berea, Sunnyside, Pretoria, Marabastad. Nigerians, pack and go. Pack and go now. It's your last year this in South Africa. You sell drugs, kill our children. I say your day is finished. Pack and go. Fake doctors of Nigerians. Fake pastors of Nigerians. Pack and go. Pack and go. It's your last year this one. Baba Mkhwanazi ngiyakubingelela emini. Uzima kubusise futhi akuphumelelise. Andise neminyaka yakho baba yokuphila. Ma South Africa mahle umuntu ongaphumelelisa le country kubaleka nama foreigner. Ayikho. Thamsanqa Khumalo. I say Nigerians, pack and go today. You said there's no man in South Africa. Women in South Africa, they are weak. South Africa is a banana country. You lie. Now you're going to see a man of South Africa.
Number one, Knox man. Out as a cast as a Kluvas. Yeah, ngisazo address futhi ination. Bafethu ngithi lamazayizay lawo, lamanyasa, lamakwerekwere, lamandova, lamagrigamba, lamakwang. Sithi bafethu kulo December lo, I don't think ukuthi nizomdlela la eSouth Africa. Niyomdlela ngale ekhaya kahle. So make sure ukuthi stila nani accordingly. Stila nani accordingly. Shuthi kwamele nazi ukuthi xenophobia iyabuya. So basiphethe kwa Sagila, Mvuku, neNduku. Kuzokhala ikwerekwere. Ikwerekwere lizokhala. Kuzonuka umuntu kungabolanga. Kuzonuka umuntu kungabolanga next. So deal nani accordingly. Khana nizobona ukuthi South Africa ilungile kodwa mayithi enough is enough. Is enough. Nizwisise kahle bafethu. Futhi mase ngihlangane nobhuti bami bangale eKZN. Umzulu nomvenda mabehlangene kanje inkani yakhona elapha angisakhulumi ngama brothers wami wase Eastern Cape angisakhulumi ngabontate abase Free State bontate la dibona dithwengitsena di etsang ntate so angisakhulumi eMatsonga wa yena ala Limpopo angisakhulumi Pedis bowarra. Guys, be warned. Kuzonuka kungabolanga. So, kusasenesikhathi. Your days are numbered. Ningakhohlwa. Sanikeze isikhathi. Time is ticking. Make sure that all of you guys, you are packing your stuff. You're going back home. Let December asafuna ukubona kwanyasa la. Nisinukele it's enough, but guys, asantshele kahle manje. So sebenzisa corporal punishment. Uzokhala ingane ekwerekwere, uzokhala ikwerekwere. Ngiyasazi futhi nisikhohliwe. Ningathanga ngitshelanga. This is not a threat. Siyanitshela nje. It's a warning. Hambani sasenesikhathi.
All foreign national countries, they must know what South Africa has turned into. South Africa they have invested in your countries. It's high time you start taking them out of your countries because they are harassing your people in this country.
No. I think we need to reconsider and speak to this crooked JMPD, this crooked Santiago, this crooked policemen who extort our fellow African brothers in the name of ID passport. Every day our fellow Africans are being chased around everywhere in the city of Joburg. I wish this video will go all over Africa and all over the world. The police in this country, JMPD, SAPS, they extort the people of Africa like they are not their people. They are not human beings. And they know what they do, they trade, they've never done criminal activity.
They don't even have criminal.
But they take advantage of us on a daily basis. We don't know for who we are going to cry to. Please, the Lord is not here to save us. Please, you government people.
Utlele file ka mo South Africa but biano nya kana le akere ka motsware ya go private clinic ya but ya lo kana le 6 years as a country ya ha but tsamaya go about truth abutaka ba ka so fe file ke property ya clinic ke property ya government ya go Zimbabwe o nya kana le file ya go Zimbabwe abut ya go Zimbabwe wa fe file abut ya go Zimbabwe awa ba tla fonela ka mo clinic o ska wa ba tla fonela ka mo clinicing abuti ka statement sa house ska wa wa bona bontsha hore a o itse ro hirala mo South Africa re ka se khone fa file abuti file ka se khona hale tsamaya police station o ba botsa re ke tsere file ya hao tsamaya nna ke re ka o fa go fa direction go fa direction ya bophelo ba bo go Zimbabwe se mo South Africa abuti ne ana bothata bophelo ba bo go Zimbabwe se mo South Africa ke re bophelo ba bo go Zimbabwe se mo South Africa abuti ba tlhalwa a ke a tshwara file ya butaka ya a ka tshwara file ha ya nne flopo he o tlile leng ka ra you are not South African abuti no you na le 6 years o utswa ditlhare tsa rena o tlabe ke kala no di utswa you are not allowed to be in this facility no di utswa ditlhare tsa rena no di utswa 6 years o na le 6 years le bilo rutswe tsa medication ba holo motho a rona le 6 years a utswa medication ka mo clinicing ya lena a rona le 6 years a tsa medication ka mo clinicing wa tlhalwai wena go tlholo sa khopelo tlo khopela ka jeko ka re ka je o ngebe le khalo khopetse o na le 6 years o utswa medication re nya ka batho ba tshwana le wena mos khalo o utswa medication ka mo wena no utswa you are not allowed to be here but you are not allowed to be here no utswa medication the South Africans ya re tse videos a shione lo ena no utswa ditlhara ngere anke lo ena no utswa ditlhara ka mo clinicing o fedile
Oh my God.